Alright guys, welcome back. Today we are finally going to go ahead and get this wood burner that I put together probably 2, maybe 3 years ago. I do have a video on it. I'll throw a link up above. It's calling for a lot of rain today, so what I want to do is try to get the outside work done first, so I'm not getting soaked, because a lot of the work is underneath the eave on the garage and there's no gutters and I don't want to get soaked. So the first thing we're going to have to do is put this thimble. It's called a wall thimble, and it's like an insulated thimble, so you can push your pipe through the wall. So let's get it open and see what it requires. I don't know if there's going to be a whole lot of instructions for these things. Typically they're not. Pretty straightforward as far as what it looks like and stuff. That is going to be a pretty healthy hole that I'm going to have to put in the wall. It's going to have to be about this size right here, which I'm not too thrilled about, but whatever makes it safe. And then the outside ring, that's just a decorative ring. Maybe put that on it. I'll probably put that on the outside. So, alright. No instructions, as I expected. But like I said, it's pretty straightforward. Cut the hole in the diameter of the thimble through the wall, put the shield in, and that way we can push our insulated pipe through, so you don't have any risks of fire and things like that. So let's go ahead and mark out where we're going to cut the hole through the wall and get the radius that we need and go and cut the hole. Alright guys. That's a pretty decent sized hole, but it should be alright. So let's get a hole drilled in the center and just cut all that out of there. All right, well, that's where it's gonna be coming through the wall. Which isn't too bad, because I need this set this way of that wall, probably a good 18 inches or so. So let's go outside and check it out. My other camera died on me before I can get it finished. Let's go outside and check it out. All right, those were a bear to get up there. First time I tried, I had both of those pieces together and it flipped off and ended up getting a couple dents in that, because those are not cheap at all. Right around 80 bucks a piece, somewhere in that. But the only thing I have left to do out here, which I'm not even sure if I'm going to do it yet, is put in some angle supports underneath that T. But you know, I got the support on the eave right there. It's strapped on and screwed into that fascia. So that should do for now, guys. But like I said, that was a bear to get in there. It's a little off, but I can live with it. So the next thing I got to do is I will tie in that wood burner. All that requires is just a regular black stove pipe, which I got like 3 pieces and a 90. And then I have to install the damper on the upright piece coming off the stove pipe, which isn't going to be very difficult because they've already got the holes drilled for me. So the damper will be right here, and then I'll put new pipe in to that right there. And this thing should be ready to go. So let's get at putting this together, and then maybe tomorrow we'll fire it up and see what it does. I can't imagine it's gonna really heat up this place because there's no insulation in the ceiling, but you know, it's a start. You know, I don't have to keep running that turbo heater, which really stinks because it is burning diesel fuel, and eventually your eyes start burning when you're trying to do stuff out here. So I really would like to have somewhat of a wood burner going. I can have a fan behind it and blow the warm air out here just to knock the chill off. You know, I'm not looking to get it 80 degrees in here. Not yet anyhow. But this is a step in the right direction. Like I said, I built this thing like 2 years ago. So I'm just now getting around to it. But you know, all that stuff up there, all the scab wood, all that stuff's gonna be hidden behind a wall, you know, and that'll come through and you'll never see any of that stuff. So I wasn't worried about it looking real nice. But anyways, the hardest part's done. So let's go ahead and get this thing tied together. All right, guys, got her all plumbed in. Got it a little too hot one night. This is like 2 days from last time when I installed all the stove pipe, but it did a pretty good job. It, you know, even with the garage not being insulated, it actually warmed it up in here pretty good. So no more turbo heater for now. We'll just use this. All right, guys, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video, and if you're not subscribed, please think about subscribing. We're gonna do videos like this all the time. We're working around the farm, just doing farm stuff. We'll get more into planting stuff, and more animals are coming soon. We are getting pigs here pretty quick. So if you're into that kind of stuff, hit that thumbs up and click that subscribe bell so you can get all the notifications. I'll catch you guys on the next one.